Are we recording? Yeah, recording. Hey, Fivers! Finally, I get the chance to record that After the Five episode for the Matterhackers and Carbide3D collaboration. I'm in my garage, and I'm starting to get used to it a little bit. Let's see if I can give you a little kind of tour. So I moved some shit. Look at that! I've got Ultimakers right there. That is my... What is that? That's my Ultimaker. Ooh, 3! That's my 3. And it's doing some dual color stuff. That right there, that is so... The drafts don't get in. This has a... oh my god, I'm forgetting my words. This has an enclosure, a printed solid enclosure. I have one for this, I just haven't put it together yet. Let's see, my laser station looks pretty good over there. The big rocket, I gotta figure out something to do with that. It's kind of big. I did just put these shelves right there. That's an ANET E10 that just doesn't work. Funny that. Let's talk about, let's see if I can reach it over here. Let's talk about the Matterhackers. Ooh, sound. After the Five, because there's something that's a few people in the comments actually talked about, and I never acknowledged it. And if you look, well, that's not complete, is it? That's because it's a different one. Originally, what happened was I was sent this one. I was sent this, and it was like, I opened it and I go, well, okay, that looks, well, wait a minute. Okay, the resin isn't all the way proud of the cutouts. And, oh no, look at that. Sawdust. Oh, sawdust inside of the resin. Not cool. Not cool. So, resin stuff was still new to Alec, and I didn't know that at the time. I had watched resin builds from Peter Brown and Evan and Caitlin. I had an idea of what needed to be done. I don't think Alec did. I sent him a video from Paul Jackman where he did this countertop with an inlaid resin compass. Gorgeous. And I remember he made it a little bit proud, and then he sanded it down and it looked great. What had happened was, on the back, it had leaked through, it was kind of icky. So Alec, which is actually a decent idea, put it back on the Shapeoko XXL, flipped it over, and milled the top, which was then the bottom which was then the top. He milled it out just to kind of carve it out, make it look smooth. The problem was the resin on the front hadn't cured fully, which means that all that sawdusty stuff got in there. In fact, look, it's still sticky. Still sticky because we didn't get the ratios exactly proper, like, man, it was tough. It was so tough. Sorry about the camera angles too, because I gotta handle this. Apparently my arm's getting tired. Where do I put this thing? I mean, what do I do with it? Let's see, I'll put it right there. Put it right there. So listen. I didn't disclose this in the original video because this was a sponsored video by Matterhackers and Carbide3D. When I got the original one, that one right there, I thought, well, this is a sponsored video. It needs to be of a certain quality, so how can I show that one off? How can I show that off to people who've paid good money to advertise on the channel? I can't show that off. So I said, Alec, make a new one, get the ratios correct, tape the back better, and just make it proud. And it turned out better, and I didn't disclose it in the video, and I hope you understand why. It would have. Matterhackers was part sponsor in the video, and while I want to be as completely 100% honest in the video, I think that for what we were trying to show, showing that would not have been a good idea. I think it would have been bad. I think it would have looked bad for Matterhackers, and people wouldn't gotten the gist of the video where it was trying to accomplish a task. I think that the initial problem in creating the thing would have taken over and would have taken precedence instead of the thing itself, which means that I think it would have been bad. So I did not include it, but I'm telling you about it because you guys, you are all awesome. Oh, awesome. Hey, you know what? This is my... Oh, I'm always tired out here. This is my 1-year anniversary as being a full-time creator. Seems to be going well because I'm still doing this. And I hope it's because of being kind of honest with you, the people that super duper matter, because you support me financially. I would not be able to do this without your financial help. I just want to make sure that is abundantly clear. But I want to make sure that I'm above the board with things, and I hope that was okay. I hope that you don't think less of me because I chose to not include it. My reasons, as I've said, were just... I think it would have taken away from the project itself. I don't know. I mean, maybe down the line I could make a little, oh, hey, things you didn't know. Maybe I could do that. I don't know. Well, obviously, I mean, let me know what you think, because I'm curious. Should I have showed Alex, it's not Alex, but it's Alec apostrophe S error in the creation of it, or did I do the right thing? Personally, again, I think I did the right thing, but I think it would have muddied the waters. I wanted to give Carbide3D and Matterhackers a quality product, and the product being the video, so I wanted it to be a smooth story. Sending another one, I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, there you go. That's the After the 5 for the Matterhackers and Carbide3D collaboration. That's what not everybody gets to know. That's what you get to know. Thanks again for your support. It means the world to me, and I will do my best to get some more quality After the 5s to you. And with that in mind, I'll see you in the next one.